Hey everyone, today I am showing you this drink cart that is perfect if you love hosting or if you just need a little bit of extra space for your drinks or anything like that. So as you can see, we have drinks set up here. You could kind of make this a display with your other things. Down here we have some different drink accessories. The bottom shelf would also be great for more storage or glasses, wine glasses, whatever it may be. This one is on rollers, but you can also just have pegs on it too. It comes with both options depending on what you're going to need for your space. I love that this can roll around, so if we are hosting, we can kind of have it in the area that we need and then store away. I'm going to give you a closer look at this. So here is a closer look at the shelf. So as you can see, it does have backing to it, so you could do storage of glasses, wine glasses, whatever it may be, or just set it up for certain drinks. So as you can see, we've got drink glasses, some lime slices, shot glass, things like that. So this is the perfect little drink serving cart and very easy to assemble and great to have in small places. So thank you for